I called Hype at $4 and it's just hit new all-time high again today, sitting at around $57. I'm super bullish on Hyperliquid and I truly believe it will be the best performing project of this cycle and potentially even next cycle. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you about the most powerful and potentially the best application on Hyperliquid that you can use to maximize profits. So the platform is called SuperX and it lets you mirror what experienced crypto traders are doing. Instead of learning every indicator, you basically pick a trader, allocate your capital, and your portfolio follows their moves. So when they buy, you buy. When they sell, you sell. And it's fully decentralized, transparent, and built for simplicity. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is the platform here. Now I'm going to go over the basic stuff for about 30 seconds to a minute. And then I'm going to get into something that's a complete game changer. And if you stick around long enough in this video, you're going to be like, wow. Okay, this is complete game changer and you can potentially make a hell of a lot of money if you take it seriously and you really learn how to do it properly, and it's not even that difficult. All right, so let's start with the perps. You've got Bitcoin 40x leverage, Ethereum 25x, Hype 10x. You can basically do all of your perp trading here. You've got all of your tools there for the charts. You've got the chart here. And then obviously you can basically do the leverage, you can do cross or isolated, limit order, market order, whatever you want to do, your available funds, current position size would be there, current position value, and then yeah, you basically got everything there, okay? And then if we go to the spot, you can, everything's here again, she'll basically buy on spot, and then it basically goes your wallet because it's fully decentralized. It's not a centralized platform. Okay, so the platform doesn't actually hold your money unless you stake or something like that, or you put it into a pool. Okay, so it's fully decentralized. And one of the best parts about this platform as well, apart from the part that we're going to speak about in a second, is you can also control it from Telegram. So you can basically connect your Telegram account and you can basically control your positions from Telegram. And yeah, it's absolutely brilliant. You can do it on the dashboard, you can do it on the go on Telegram and stuff like that. So it's absolutely brilliant. So let's get on to the exciting part, which I'm super bullish on. Okay, so this is the copy trading section. Fully decentralized copy trading, all on chain. So it's not like a centralized exchange where they can inflate figures, confuse things. You don't really know what's happening. This is all on chain, fully transparent, and nothing's a lie. Okay, so we've got smart money, leaderboards, counter trade, scalpers, swing traders, vaults, and then we've got all of the traders here, copy trades, tracked wallets, and watch lists. So we're going to go through this now. So all is basically all of the traders on the platform. Okay, so traders, they've got 14,732 traders that you can either copy or track their wallets to see what they're up to. The brilliant thing about this is if you trade, if you don't trade, whatever it is, you can basically copy the top traders' wallets, automated, fully automated, or you can track to see what they're up to, what they're buying into. So if we just stay on all, like we can see 7-day P&L, this guy's made 3.8 million. 30-day P&L has made 3.5 million, all-time P&L 3.5 million. The second one, he's only been around for 10 days. The second one's like 1 month, 9 months. You can go through all of the traders here. If we go over to Smart Money, this is basically the top traders. So Smart Money highlights high-performing traders within the SuperX ecosystem. Okay, so we've got a bunch of traders here. I think there's 8 traders here. So these are basically like their top most consistent traders. He's been going around for a year. All-time P&L 770,000. If we go to leaderboard, I think this is the top traders on Hyperliquid. So let's just check. Leaderboards highlight for top performing traders on Hyperliquid. Yeah, so these are the top traders on Hyperliquid. Counter trade, then you can obviously counter trade people. This is like the worst performing traders, and you can literally set it to do the opposite. So if we just go on like the leaderboard one and we want to copy, say, actually let's go to Smart Money. So this guy's been around for a year, fairly consistent. He's done, all right, where are we? Yeah, so trader age 1 year. So if we want to track his wallet, you just literally click track and you can do send Telegram notifications. So whenever he opens a trade, closes a trade, whatever he does, you will basically get a notification on Telegram. Okay, so you can always see what he's up to. Now, if we want to copy, you'll basically click copy. Now, if he's a bad trader, you can basically counter trade him, so it will open the opposite positions. If he's a good trader, which this one is, you can basically copy. So the minimum balance to copy trade would be $368. Every trade is different. Some of them might be $5,000, $1,000, $100. In this case, $368. And this is basically the copy size. So if you have $100 in your account and he's got, say for example, $1,000, you'll just do a 1-for-1. Okay, what I'd probably suggest in the beginning is maybe do like a 0.75 or 0.5. So say if he puts in X amount on his account, this will then do half of that in terms of the risk. Okay, until you basically get used to it. You can set your take profits there if you want to in terms of percentage or amount. You can do the same with stop loss. I just recommend kind of copying. If they're successful, just copy what they do. Don't really play around with this too much. The max margin, so basically if you don't want to go into too much margin like drawdown or anything, you can basically put the amounts in here. And also advanced settings here, you can do the slippage, minimum trade size to copy, minimum trader balance to copy, and you can whitelist tickers and blacklist tickers. So basically if you blacklist a ticker, so say if the trader is trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, Hyperliquid and Solana, and you don't want to do Solana, you'll basically blacklist Sol from here. Yeah, if they're doing DYDX, you'll blacklist DYDX. If you want to just copy everything they're doing, just basically don't touch this bit. So my advice to find a good trader would probably be to go to Smart Money or Leaderboard and go through and find the most consistent trader, because it's all about consistency. If you put your money in, you want to make sure it's consistent and they haven't just had a really good week, but then all of their track record is basically bad. So you don't want to pick a lucky trader. Okay, so someone that's been consistent for a year is good. 8 months, 5 months, 4 months is even quite good as well. So I'd say go on Smart Money or the Leaderboard. Counter trading is obviously the counter trading if you want to go against them. Now the scalpers is basically people that are doing short-term moves. So if you want to do more short-term moves and copy a scalp trader, you'll go into this section, and then you've got all of your filters here as well. Swing traders, more longer term traders, you can go onto this section. Now basically the vaults, so the vaults are pooled trading accounts in the Hyperliquid ecosystem. So you can basically, so users deposit USDC, so vault leaders can trade on their behalf. SuperX lets you copy trade these vaults without locking up your funds. Okay, so you'll basically put money into the vault and people will trade it on your behalf. And then you've obviously got all of your traders on this section here. Now this is the part of the platform that I absolutely love. Okay, now this is basically the KOL leaderboard. So it's got the KOLs here, and if we scroll down a bit, we've got James Wynn there, and we've also got Andrew Tate. Now the billionaire that actually teaches people how to trade is not doing very well himself. So if we look at his past performance, he's currently down all-time $612,000. Over 600k he's down. So I definitely wouldn't recommend following Andrew Tate. He's currently up like 84k on perp balance, but in terms of his P&L, it's down over 600k. James Wynn, I absolutely love James Wynn, but I definitely wouldn't copy him in terms of the trading side of things. If we go to James Wynn, he was up 75 million, which is obviously a massive amount. It's brilliant. But now he's currently down 23 million, minus 23 mil. So max drawdown 86%. Average trades per day 0.29, and you can, if you click on the trader as well, you can basically go to their all of their details. The minimum balance to copy trade is 66,000, so I can kind of see that being blown all in one day, if I'm being honest. But as much as I love the guy, yeah, I definitely wouldn't follow him in terms of the trading side of things. So this is really good because then you can see their X, you can obviously follow them on X, you can track their wallets, you can copy trade them, and it really gives you an insight to see what they're seeing in the markets as well. So the top one has done a P&L of 6.5 million. Now let's have a look at this guy. I definitely wouldn't maybe counter trade Andrew Tate or James Wynn. So he's done a let's just go onto his profile. So he obviously started back in May 2025, so he's been active for a good amount of time. ROI 10%, max drawdown 13%, which is really good. He's got like 100% hit rate as well. I just don't know how. He's not doing like massive amounts of trades, but the trades that he does seems to be very good. So as you can see, he's currently up $40 million, this guy. So in terms of copy trading, I'd definitely recommend copy trading this guy. So apart from the platform being absolutely amazing in terms of the interface, looking like Hyperliquid, being able to do the copy trading, everything like that, What I absolutely love is the Telegram side of it. So depositing on the platform is very easy as well. And with the Telegram, you connect your Telegram account and you basically get these notifications every week. So you'll get the 7-day leaderboard, and it will basically show you the trader, so the trader's age, 4 months, profit factor, all-time P&L, 7 days, max drawdown, trades per day, direction bias, whether they're long or short. In this case, this guy's 100% long, minimum balance to copy trade as well, last trade, and also the win rate. So you can look at your Telegram every single week and see the leaderboard. And if you want to follow a new trader, you can see who's doing well in the market as well. You can also manage everything. So you could basically copy trade here. You can track wallets. You can look at your current positions, and then you've got settings and bits like that. So you can kind of do everything on Telegram, and you can do it on the dashboard. So it's basically like kind of an application built on Hyperliquid, but it's like Hyperliquid on steroids with copy trading and Telegram and everything all combined. So I think the platform is really, really good, and I'm definitely going to be using it. I'm going to leave the link below in the description of the video if you want to sign up, if you want to try it out. And I'm probably going to do something where I basically put X amount into a couple of traders, see who performs best. We do kind of like a challenge with it. Put in the comments what you think I should do. I think that'd be really cool for a video as well, and obviously to make some money. So yeah, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.